Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you all to a very beautiful place known not just for its beauty but for the peace it offers to the mind and soul. Because sometimes we all need is a pause, a moment away from noise, stress and constant motion. As I approached Vaikuntha Hill Temple, I could feel the atmosphere slowly changing. Every step towards the temple felt lighter, slower, and more mindful, almost as if the hill itself was inviting everyone to leave their worries behind. The temple stands gracefully on the hill, reflecting simplicity and devotion. The architecture is beautiful yet humble, reminding us that true richness lies within. The sound of chanting, the ringing of bells, and the gentle breeze together creates a soothing rhythm which instantly relaxes the heart. When we reached, the sun was slowly descending. From the temple, the view was very pretty, the city was looking calm, and the sky was looking very beautiful in the shade of orange, pink, and gold. The temple looked even more divine in the golden light of sunset. Soft rays of sunlight touched the temple walls, making the entire place glow. First, we see the divine and the beautiful trio of Jagannath Bhagwan, Subhadra ji, and Baldev ji. Sitting here, we felt a sense of surrender, letting go of all the day's stress and thought. As the chant of Hare Krishna filled in the air, the mind slowly became still and the heart felt happy. Then we went upstairs and we saw a beautiful Dravidian architecture of the temple. The architecture is both grand and soothing, inspired by the traditional South Indian temple design. Every detail reflects devotion and purpose. Then we went inside to see Sri Rajadhiraj Govinda, a form of Lord Venkateshwara Balaji, also known as the King of Kings. The chants of Hare Krishna Hare Rama echo softly, filling the space with divine energy. Then we went for the darshan of Sri Sudarshana Narasimha Bhagwan, Mahalakshmi Mata, Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Bhagwan, Hanumanji, and Garun Bhagwan. If you ever feel overwhelmed, if your mind feels restless, I truly recommend visiting ISKCON temple to you. You can also sit here in the chanting room taking chanting mala for free and spend time connecting your soul with the divine energy and return the mala before exit. You can also take prasad here. They distribute laddu and khichdi to everyone. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's journey with me. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.